Leaving the launch at Siltcoos. Lots of boats going out today on November 7th. First calm day after the storm. Going to be boats all over. I've had no reports about the fishing, but that really doesn't matter. Things are pretty predictable at this point. And I think I'm going to go fish off this little island. Seems like a good place to start. Ready? Zoomies! Hi. That's a GoPro, it's not food. Oh wait, he's chomping everything right now, including my hand. You want to chase the ball again? Okay, ready? Here we go. Just had a big nap. Big fish on. I just can't bring him around to the other side yet. Tired him out. Made some good acrobatics. Coming alongside me now. All right, come on. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna try to bring him around. Made a couple of good runs before I could okay, I'm trying to work him over here.
Nice one, dude.
No, he's tangled.
You jumped on the other side of your boat.
Yep. He got caught on the rudder. That's not great. No, he's clear. I just don't know if it hurt the line. This guy's got some beef. No. This feels like a beefy boy.
Yeah, it looked like it.
Whoa.
How we doing?
We're doing okay so far.
Got one then.
Oh, he's a beefy boy.
Yeah, nice.
I'm trying to wear him out a little.
You still got him on, huh?
He's there.
Nice.
He just don't want to come in the net yet.
No. I'll have to check your podcast and see the end result.
Yeah. It's all
Check
gonna
the
happen.
result, man.
Come on, man. This guy's a beefy one.
I know, man. When I finished jumping, it looked like a big cat. What did you grab him on?
Spinner.
Spinner. Nice.
Silver and pink. God, he just is a brute. He just wants to go in a circle. Not really. I got my swivel. He's just under the back of the boat is the only place he wants to go.
Well, looks like you looked that fucker really good. Where are you gonna go? Dude, this is a pretty,
In the net. Oh, dude, what a brute. Oh, right on. Big old sidewash in the corner of the mouth, man. That's the only way that one was staying on. Holy cow. Whoa, steady. Oh, what a chubby boy. I think it might be a fat buck.
yeah, looks like a buck.
Hang on, I'll get a stringer in him. Jeez.
I could probably like give you my SD card and you could like do it you could combine the film, you know, if you want.
Boy, I got him good.
I know, I totally saw that you hooked.
That jump was amazing.
I know you're like this and it jumped over.
And then I felt it catch on my rudder. The line when he went behind. I plunged it deep just hoping it would clear. Great hook up in the corner of the mouth on that.
Nice.
Oh, the line, God, he just massacred. The spinner's bent and the line's broke. That happened in the net. How about this?
That's a beauty, man.
Oh my!
I thought it looked dark at first, but no, that's just a beautiful fish.
No.
Damn, now I gotta get one.
Let's get a big freshie out here. Now that's what I'm out here for. Damn, that was a fight. Just a tinge of reddish and a little bend. I think it's a buck.
Yeah.
God, this thing is heavy. This is a heavy ass fish.
I know, I could tell, dude. I'm just fighting that thing.
All right, let me get some. And this guy's a bruiser. I can't wait to measure him. I wasn't sure how long it was in the net, and then I got a look and said, whoa. Right where I hooked him, I had seen one roll when I was in fishing that deep spot. I thought I saw something roll there, and damn! I got you, bud. Yeah? You gonna let me pose with you? Are you? How about this? This is a big boy. The whole start of that video, he was on the wrong side of the boat and I just couldn't move him. Well, now we tag him and go home. It's a 29-inch super fat hen in pretty good shape. Heavy, heavy. I thought it was gonna be pushing 32. So, done fishing today. Time to go tag it. And then go home and play with Uhtred. Looks like I'm gonna be online. Got him right down here at the south end of the lake. Tag a fish. Tag a fish. Coho. Wild. Angling zone northwest. Tag code 84. 84, data harvest, 11/7 save. Done. That, my friends, is how easy it is to e-tag fish. All right, 2 more to go. I realize it's only 10:30, but hey, it's never too early for a super stoked from Deschutes. Non-alcoholic, very good golden beer. 60 calories of carbs. Oh, it's a good golden. She's a beautiful hen. Get the eggs out of this beauty and the guts back into the lake. Oh yeah. Oh wow. I hope my Ziplock's big enough. Oh man, these are back bouncing eggs. One skein. Oh, wow. She was ready to pop, but not dark. That's outstanding. I'll weigh those guys when I get home and see how much she had in her. Now we go up and make a cut. Get all that back in. Beautiful orange coho. Come on. Now I can get that bloodline out of there. Nothing better at Siltcoos in November than coming back with a big old coho on the bow. This is Fishmills Bay. Used to catch a lot in here. Last few years it hadn't been as good. So I started this morning fishing the shoreline on that little island, then I shot over to the trestles. There's two over there, and went south, jumped around to Ada Resort, and then when I got to the south end, I headed west across the South Bay, fished the spot in there, and then coming around to the shoreline near Rocky Point was where I was just trolling the spinner till I got to the shoreline. I was going to do some casting and spin trolling, and as I came around the corner, hooked up. It was clear it was a big fish. I couldn't get the camera going right away because it went to the other side of the kayak behind me, and I had to focus on, you know, making sure I had the hook set good. And it did some big acrobatics right in front of my friend Eric, who was on his Hobie behind me. He saw those acrobatics. They were right in front of him. And then I got the camera going and eventually got it around to the netting side. But it jumped and ran under the back of the kayak so fast, I couldn't plunge the rod, and the line grabbed on my rudder, which is an aluminum one. It's an upgrade rudder from a company. I think it's Snipe Air Industries. Really nice rudder for these Outbacks, but when braid line and aluminum are in contact, I get real nervous, even though it's 60-pound braid. But I could feel when it came loose. I kind of looped in and went deeper. As soon as it came off that, on the video I was bringing it along, and it just kept wanting to go back under the back of the kayak. It would not come out for a netting, and I could feel how heavy it was. So I had to just keep trying to wear it out and be confident that the single hook was in good. This is what came out of the net. It mangled the spinner pretty doggone good. This thing was definitely straight. And it also broke the metal swivel, twisted off. I'll be able to straighten that and keep fishing with this guy. But silver pink in the sun, very typical. There's Fishmills and the Siltcoos outlet and little marina. Nothing better than coming back at Siltcoos at 11:35 in the morning.